why your hard work isn't getting you promoted. You are working hard, you're staying late, delivering the numbers, the results are coming, but yet somebody just got promoted in your team. Not you, right? Again, here's the truth that you need to know. Hard work is like an entry fee. It is not the price. Hard work is not what gets you the price. It's not what gets you promoted. You see, promotions goes to people that are visible, strategic, and understood. As simple as that. Are you a type like that? Let me tell you that there's a difference between working hard and working promotably. It's two different things. Okay, let me also share some tips with you on what you can do. It's not about working hard. If you are desiring promotion this year, there are things you need to do. Let me give you just 3 tips. 3 tips. Number 1, visibility beats effort. Yes, again, visibility beats effort, beats hard work. See, if your manager's manager does not know you, does not know your name, you are not on promotion list. You are not aware. You are working, your manager is seeing it. You are delivering the numbers, but your communication is not getting to your manager's manager. The promotion you are looking for, that you are seeking, it's not only your manager that promotes you. I'm sure you are aware of that. Okay, let me clear you. Your manager, your manager's manager, or let me say the organization, the management. Yes, the people they call the management, they are the one that determines your promotion. If they are not aware of your deliverables, of your numbers, thank you very much. You are not on promotion list. It's not only your manager that can promote you. He doesn't have the power to promote you alone. So if you are not visible to others, how will you get promoted? Second thing I want to tell you on what you can do to get promoted this year is to align your work with what leadership cares about. Many of you, your high hopes, your inputs and outputs, your deliverables, your numbers that they gave you at the beginning of the year does not align anymore with leadership focus. It does not align again with what leaderships are looking. They don't reward effort. They reward strategies, contributions that move the organization forward. You are still relying on January high hopes, your January deliverables that you discussed with your manager. And you are in June, you are in July, the mid-year, and you are not reviewing those points, those actions, those deliverables. No, stop working on actions. Start working on something that give results, that give deliverables. Let me give you some tips on how you can help yourself. Number 1, in meetings, speak up. When you have opportunity to meet with management, you understand what I mean? People like directors, people like your manager's manager, top people in the organization, make sure you speak. Make sure you are in their faces. Make sure you do something that, I'm not saying doing high service. This is not high service. No. But when they are contributing, hear your own view too. Speak up, give guidance, give advice. Then particularly know how to communicate your achievement via emails. The way you reply to emails is very important. There are some emails that when you are replying, your manager's manager needs to be in copy. Yes, some people in the organization need to be in copy. That is how to communicate your achievement. That is how to make your achievement known to others. It's not only your manager that should to know your achievement. Some other managers in other departments should know what you are doing as well. So don't keep that achievement to yourself. That is one way to be on the promotion list. Thank you. It is proven and established that people that are visible in the organization are likely to get promoted ahead of people that are performing well. It is a valid point. If you are performing well, you are doing your job, you are delivering the numbers, but you are not visible in the organization, you are not likely to get promoted. Don't forget the 3 tips I've shared with you. Keep working hard, but work smarter this year. Your promotion is on the way, but you need to save this video, you need to like it, and particularly, let me hear your comment. Let me hear your view about things that I've shared with you today. Thank you very much for joining me.